At this point, I believe the 1 week is officially calling the top here. Price versus while money flow is the highest it's ever been on this chart. Trades in favor is high with a 94% chance of a drop, and if we receive a sell signal, as we previously did at this exact same level, all three of these would combine to be extremely bearish. Avalanche has posted gains of up to 164% since the last call from these indicators, showing price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal. When you get these, this is where you're seeing crazy moves up. And in this video, I'm going to show you what we're expecting at this point and what signals you should be looking for in order to catch the next move down. Let's check it out. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new with us, welcome to the channel, and as a heads up, if you scroll down in the description of the video you're watching right now, you can access some crazy data. First up, 80% off our indicators at the first link. This is a crazy Black Friday sale. You do not want to miss out on this. It's ending soon. Next, our 95 win, 0 loss win rate on our trades, daily crypto metrics, and $1 million profit account challenge at the second link for our membership. And you can get all alerts from our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Just a few quick announcements. We just won our sheep trade called out on November 13th today for another 4% trade win. We have had so many wins over the past few days, and you don't want to miss tomorrow's future forecast video either. In tomorrow's future forecast, we really need to focus on the next important level for Bitcoin, and that's the mid-cycle top. If Bitcoin is going to see a large retracement, it's historically going to be at this point. Last up, our next live Inner Circle hangout is Thursday, November 30th. You're not going to want to miss out on that. We're going to be going live on our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout Thursday, November 30th, starting at 1 p.m. Pacific time. We're going to talk about where crypto is headed and open up the call for a Q&A session for the community. Make sure to have a full access membership to join us 2 weeks from today. With that, we're going to scroll down and head into the Avalanche metrics to begin our analysis. The very first metric we're going to take a look at is the Avalanche Emotional Index. Now, it looks like we topped out around $23.25, and at this point, we are still in excited territory, but I'm betting tomorrow we'll be sitting in greedy. Typically, this is where we're seeing moves back down. In fact, last time we pushed into greedy territory, this is where we saw a little bit of a drop. Now, time will tell if this drop will bounce back up or not. And with that, I want to take you down to the Avalanche Volatility Breakout Detector. No surprise here, we are seeing massive amounts of volatility in the Avalanche market. We're really excited to see it. Anyone that's in an Avalanche trade right now, congratulations. You have likely posted insane profits. At some point, we are going to see this even out. We'll see some horizontal movement, in which case we should see a drop below the breakout zone. Last time this happened right here called the exact bottom before the absolutely insane blow up that we've seen over the past few days in Avalanche. So don't miss out on that. Pay very close attention to the breakout detector. Next up, we need to check out what whale money is likely to do at this point. The Avalanche Whale Smart Money metric is showing massive short trade sentiment, and this is not surprising. Last time we peaked on this, again, we saw moves down as whales began shorting Avalanche in order to make profit on the way back down. We're seeing a lot of short trade sentiment. I wouldn't be shocked to see a little bit more over the next couple of days, in which case a drop should happen soon. Now, this shows what whales are likely to do in the near future. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second. As we speak, whales are still pumping money like crazy into Avalanche, and this is exactly what has caused the insane pump as of today. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, so if whale money continues moving into the market, we can expect a continued pump to the upside for Avalanche. As soon as whale money begins dropping out, I do expect this market to drop as well. So keep an eye out for that. Next up, as we move into the major support and resistance levels, we do have major structure support right about here, but I'll have to show you on the live charts where that actually sits. Below that, we have structure support at $15.99. That would be my second target, and this is actually where we bottomed out last time. Last but not least is going to be the Avalanche trade signals chart. We have to be a little bit careful of sell signals at this point. What we need to see is a sell signal with all of our metrics, all of our data pointing bearish as well. Once we see that, that is when we can see the next move back to the downside. None of these three signals had bearish data correlating with it, and that is why they continued upwards. As the bull market continues, it's necessary, it is required for bearish signals to be invalidated. And that's why you saw these sell signals invalidated again. And at this point, we are going to be looking for ideally a strong sell signal. You can see right here, strong signal, crazy move down, strong signal, move down. In that case, if we see a strong sell signal, historically, that is when we're looking for moves back to the downside. If you trade Avalanche, you need to pay very, very close attention to these metrics. And our members not only get access to the Avalanche metrics, but in fact, they get access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Absurd amounts of data for you to choose from. Members get access to our future forecast videos, trade setups where we are currently 95 wins, 0 losses, morning brew overview, inner circle, live Zoom hangout coming up Thursday, November 30th, and members get massive discounts on our indicators. So don't miss out on that. Sign up with the membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and our membership's going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. You're going to want to snag the full access for $59 a month. This is a limited time special. Lock in your membership price now because price increases are coming. You'll get access to everything I just showed you and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Avalanche USD on the 1-day time frame, and it appears, let me grab a horizontal line here, we ended up topping out at $24.09. This was an absurd pump. Currently the price sits at $21.28 as we rejected that resistance. Now on the metrics page, I showed you a top right about here. It was hidden, but that sits at $21.58. So it looks like that is the actual current resistance we are using at this moment. Now I want to show you something really, really interesting. I want to show you the power that these indicators have. And I'm going to include the breakout detector here as well. Once we saw price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, just about in the long trade section, and a buy signal, combined with a drop into the breakout zone, this is the exact bottom before the insane pump to the upside. Right here, price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, and a strong buy signal at that, with the breakout detector low, saw a crazy move to the upside. Extremely consistent here. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, strong buy signal, just about a drop into the breakout zone, crazy move to the upside. Very, very consistent. So as this plays out, as the price begins dropping again, this is what we're going to be looking for as an ideal entry. As well money drops, we should see the price of Avalanche drop as well, which will bring the trades in favor down. Currently, we're at a 76% chance of a drop, but if we see trades in favor low, price versus well money flow low, and another buy or strong buy signal, all three of these should combine for the next move to the upside. It seems like whales are absolutely crushing, just crazy moving money into this market. And with that, I do want to take you to the 1 week time frame. At this point, I believe the 1 week is officially calling the top here. Price versus well money flow is the highest it's ever been on this chart. Trades in favor is high with a 94% chance of a drop. And if we receive a sell signal, as we previously did at this exact same level, all three of these would combine to be extremely bearish. And the last time this was called, it resulted in a crazy drop from the close of that candle to the absolute bottom of about 58.95%. Now, I want to point out once again on the 1 week time frame, price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low with a buy signal called the exact bottom before the pump. So as the price drops at this point, unfortunately, I do expect a drop to happen. We need to be seeing price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal. And when all three of these post, that's when I expect the next move back to the upside for Avalanche. Now I'm going to take you back to the 1 day time frame for our structure supports. Hiding the TC top and bottom finder to make it a little bit easier to see. At this point, our first structure support sits at $18.24. From there, we have another one sitting at $15.99 as we saw on the metrics page. If things get really catastrophic, I really don't see that happening. But if it does, our next structure support sits right here at $11.86. I'm really hoping it doesn't drop that low. Personally, my current target is between $15.99 and $18.24, somewhere in there. And as the price drops, once again, one last time, in order to call the bottom, we're going to be looking for price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low with a buy signal. And when all three of these combine, you can expect the next insane move back up in Avalanche. Now, these indicators are what we've used to earn 95 wins, 0 losses in this crypto market. Through the bear market, even through the toughest time we've seen in a long time, we've earned 95 straight trade wins. If you want to do this yourself, you can do so with these indicators, with the built-in strategy on the TC top and bottom finder. Super easy to use, and we have plenty of tutorial videos on that. So if you want to snag these indicators and trade like we do, all you got to do is head down to the description of the video you're watching right now. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Black Friday indicator sale page. Pro indicator pack is what you're looking for. Members get a massive $250 off right off the bat. Significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Snag a membership for the money-making benefits. Click access coupon code and write that down, then click Pro indicator pack. Scroll down and click I want this, throw in that indicator coupon code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total massive $650 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the future forecast video and in the live Inner Circle Zoom hangout in a couple of weeks. Don't miss out.